I made it to the 5th station, but this is too hot, you know, it's getting so hot. So I will try to do it one of the future days and go up. But this is definitely too hot now. And let's go back down. There's my friend looking down. You can see how hot it is. The guy knows how hot it is. He is hot. And it is so. So we move backwards down. Just want to give you this resume. It's enormously hot. And I recommend when you come to Medjugorje in summer, come up and go on the mountain 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, that you have the cool breeze to move up and not this huge heat. You see people how they suffer already going up, and you have to have a lot of water. You have to be prepared to go up there. Have also like a secure, like a SIM card with you if there's anything, a problem that you can call. And here you see this beautiful view on Medjugorje. Just beautiful. You see, this is the view on Medjugorje. There's St. James Church in the middle. And if you like the video, subscribe to the video, to the channel. You see, so hot, to the channel, and give a like. Share the video that other people also can see the beauty of Medjugorje, of Cross Mountain. And I'll show you the way down here. You have to watch out every step here. Look at this. Every step you have to watch out. That's the meditation of Cross Mountain, to be very careful where you walk. And I leave you with this beautiful, beautiful view. Bye bye for now.